Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? In my today's video, I will be sharing with you a recipe for shampoo. I am using soya milk for this shampoo. Soya milk is very good for your hair. The soya milk is a homemade one. I have a video on this how to make soya milk. You can see the video. I will leave the link in the description box. It's very easy to make, and this milk contains a lot of nutrients which can help your hair grow. Soya milk has a lot of health benefits. When consumed, it can prevent osteoporosis. It can boost metabolism in your body. It can lower cholesterol, keep your bone health in good condition, prevent diabetes and strokes. It can also help reduce weight and also keep your skin and hair healthy. The next important ingredient for this shampoo is this soap nut, which is also called Rita. This is very good for your hair. It can wash your hair and remove all the dirt. It releases soap in hot water. Therefore, this is very useful for DIY shampoos. It can also keep your hair in a good condition. It will remove dandruff, prevent scalp infection, and it will not dry your hair like other store-bought shampoos. So to use this, you need to just crush it and remove all the seeds and soak it in water for at least 8 hours or overnight, or even you can boil this in a bowl with 250 ml of water, and again squeeze this to release the soap into the water. Here for this DIY shampoo, I have used 10 to 15 soap nuts, and I had soaked this overnight. So this is how it looks after you squeeze it thoroughly, so that all the soaping properties of this soap nut is released into the water. So this is the water which I have got, and you can store this in the refrigerator for more than 10 to 15 days and use it whenever you want to make shampoos. So here I am mixing the soya milk, and I am going to mix thoroughly. So here the shampoo is almost ready. You can use it as it is, but if you want some sort of fragrance in your shampoo, you can add some essential oil like rosemary or even lavender essential oil. So the shampoo is ready. You can store it in the bottle and keep it in the refrigerator for a week and use whenever you want. So as you shake the bottle, you can see that it is frothing, and this froth is enough for your hair to get cleaned. So this is how the shampoo is made. So to use it, you need to just wet your hair and use this as a regular shampoo. You can just work up lather and wash off with warm water, and this will also keep your hair healthy without drying your hair. So if you have a very dry hair, then you can oil your hair before using this shampoo, and you can use as a regular shampoo. So try this DIY and see how it works for you. DIYs are something which is very subjective. It may change from person to person. All you need to do is keep trying and see whichever is working for you. So therefore this is one of the DIYs which I have shown. If you like this, please share. If you like more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.